This is going to be a video of my Duracraft table fan. It is 2-speed, and it was manufactured in 10 of 2004. And I had purchased this at Goodwill for $5. There's the Duracraft logo right there. And we're going to go ahead and look at the specifications. Here's the UL sticker. And here's the other specification sticker. Made in China. Ooh. So that's that, and we will now give it a demo. Here is low. And also, guys, I did want to mention this is being filmed on my iPhone 13. So let me know in the comments down below not only if you know any more information on this fan, but also how this video looks and sounds. Feedback is greatly appreciated. I'm always looking to improve my content for you guys. And here's high. And another thing I did forget to mention in this video is that this is a 2-speed model. And off. Well, there you have it. This has been a video of my 2-speed Duracraft table fan. Peace.